Hey guys, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. Just want to show you how to reset the service line on a D23 NP300. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is turn the ignition on. Once it comes up on the display in the center of the dash, we're going to use this button here to scroll through until it comes up with the maintenance displays. So it is just there. So we're going to use this toggle right here. We're going to scroll down until we get to maintenance. And we're going to push the button to enter. So once it comes up with oil control system, we're going to click on it and we're going to enter again, reset. We're going to scroll up and click yes. Oil control system is at 0. Now it is at 20,000 kilometers. Excellent. We're going to push the back buttons, this one here, and then it's going to bring us back to this screen. We're going to scroll down to oil filter and we're going to click reset. So scroll down, click reset, scroll up to yes. There we go. So that's reset the oil filter light. Now we go back again, we go to tires, and that's reset to 0. So we'll just click reset and then yes. Terrific. And if there's anything in the other system as well, you can change that. So if you want to reset that to remind you if the fuel filter or the air filter needs to be changed, or even the cabin filter, you can go through and change it in these settings here. So that's it, guys. Thanks heaps for watching.